Hey everyone, Tim with Setina Manufacturing. We're inside of a 2020 Ford Interceptor utility. I'm going to show you how to quickly install our new quick mount B-pillar brackets that are no drills. And here we go. So pretty much you want to start by removing these two push plugs up here. This guy we're actually going to cut out of our way so it doesn't get in our way. Take our new brackets here, bend this at a 90, little grab handle there. We're going to kind of just fit this guy in here. And let it chill like that. Next, we're going to bring up our mount bracket with our 1/2-inch bolt, and we've got our lock washer on it. And that's going to just kind of rest here on the bottom. Next, again, our 1/2-inch with our lock washer on it. Line the bracket up, feed the bolt through, put it in loosely, bend our other bracket down. And we're just going to fit this up in here, feed in our bolt, we're going to want to kind of level these brackets off as square as possible to get the best mounting surface we can. And we finished by just bending these tabs back up out of the way.